We know our processes, we know manufacturing of meters, but we don't know how to translate our processes into DM. Landis+Gyr is a global manufacturer of smart measuring devices, so electricity, gas, heat, water meters, which we sell globally to the utility companies. We had a very fragmented manufacturing landscape, so we've got 9-10 manufacturing sites, and they all had different systems running across the 9 factories, and obviously there's a lot of overhead, a lot of resource needed to maintain those systems. We had 3 core drivers. First one was standardization, looking for a new modern system. The second one, we needed to standardize our integrations, get rid of all the customizations we had. And the third driver was to reduce the overhead and resource it required to maintain all these different systems. So by going to a single standard MES system, it takes all that complexity out and allows us to focus on our core, which is the manufacturing level applications, and not worry about the back end. We ran a lengthy RFP process with multiple different MES providers. SAP DM was the winner by quite a margin. What really made it stand out was that SAP Digital Manufacturing was truly a cloud-based system. One of the other things we were looking for was low-code, no-code. We wanted to ensure that we didn't have to rely on skilled developers to do integration and development on the shop floor. Working with Syntax has been a very easy process. They showed that they really understood Landis+Gyr's business and what we were looking for. They were able to show very clearly the different elements of where we could benefit from using SAP Digital Manufacturing, and how we could implement that and translate our business processes. They were there with us every step of the way, supporting 24 hours to make sure that our go-lives were a success. One of the key things, again, with Syntax, they very much drove the stick to standard as much as possible. What we're really pleased of is the global template that we developed with Syntax. We define these 89 business processes, not just focused on the pilot plant, but also all the plants, to make sure that when we do roll out, we're ready. And we found that what we did in that initial stage and the time we took to do that properly has really benefited. The integration is out the box, getting rid of all of the manual input into the system from your orders, your bombs, your routings. All of that gets replicated automatically from the ERP system directly into SAP Digital Manufacturing. It cuts out all of that middle layer of data entry. And historically, there was a lot of errors in that. So we've got real-time yield, scrap, all backflushing in real time, so our planners know where all the material is and what we've got in stock in real time.